Hello friends, welcome to the channel Sanchita. I am Tanmay De, your instructor. I hope you are all doing well. Today I am going to dictate a judgment copy of Calcutta High Court. Total words 600, speed will be 120 words per minute. As you know, after the dictation you will get the legal word and phrases outlines and the full passage. Now be ready. I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start. The appellants are not represented even at the second call. The respondents are represented. The appeal be dismissed for default. The cross objections filed by the respondents are taken up for consideration. The appeal of discord between the parties pertain to a property comprising about 7,000 square feet on the third floor of premises number 11 Picasso Vitti, formerly known as 11 Hungerford Street, which was admittedly owned by the original plaintiff, who was the predecessor in interest of the present appellants. The respondents and their predecessors intended to construct 3 additional floors in the disputed premises, comprising 2 floors, with a view to develop the property and obtained the sanctioned plan from the Calcutta Municipal Corporation for the said purpose. The respondents, sometimes in December 1985, offered to raise such construction of the additional floors according to the sanctioned plan, which was conceded to by the appellants by a verbal agreement in January 1986 upon terms and conditions agreed upon by the parties. In or about November 1988, Arun Kumar Bhuturia, deceased predecessor in interest of respondents number 1 small b, 1 small c and 1 small d, approached the appellants with a proposal to buy a portion of the third floor of the property within bracket subject matter of the suit bracket close, and offered earnest money for the same. The predecessor of the appellants agreed in principle to the said proposal, provided such proposal was set out in a formal agreement. In the meantime, a notice was served upon the original plaintiff by the Calcutta Municipal Corporation under section 401 of the Calcutta Municipal Corporation Act, directing him to stop further construction. The sanctioned plan had also expired on November 25, 1988. Pending execution of the agreement for sale of the disputed third floor flat between the parties, the appellants, along with their predecessor in interest, forcibly occupied the third floor and proceeded to complete the construction therein despite vehement objection raised by the respondents. The appellants, on the other hand, claimed to have constructed the second, third and fourth floors of the premises and to have entered into an oral agreement with the predecessor of the respondents for purchase of the third floor. According to them, it was agreed between the parties that the third floor of the premises, along with 2 garages and 2 servants' quarters in the ground floor, would be retained by the appellant's predecessor, who would pay the respondent's predecessor for the covered area of the third floor, comprising 7,000 square feet at the rate of rupees 150 per square feet, totally amounting to rupees 10,50,000, and the vendor would execute a convenience in respect of the said property in his favor. The appellant's predecessor performed his part of the agreement and was ready and willing to abide by the terms of the agreement, and the respondent's predecessor was obliged to execute such deed of convenience in his favor. Upon neglect and refusal of the respondent's predecessor to perform his part of the obligation, the appellant's predecessor claimed specific performance of contract in addition to compensation for loss and damage incurred by him. Two separate suits were instituted, one by the owner Sukhdev Chandra Sinha, praying for recovery of possession of the suit property within bracket CS number 451 of 1989 bracket close, and the other by Arun Kumar Bhuturia for specific performance of contract within bracket CS number 348 of 1991 bracket close. Both the suits were disposed of by a common judgment and order dated October 16, 2015 by the suit court, wherein the learned judge dismissed CS number 348 of 1991 and decreed CS number 451 of 1989. The operative part of the judgment impugned is set out within double quote. Under such circumstances, Mr. Bhuturia has failed to establish its claim for specific performance. CS 348 of 1991 is dismissed. Stop writing. Now you should try to read your script and then do transcription. If you find too many omissions, then you can take this dictation once or twice after practicing the given outlines. Now I am showing you important words with outlines. This is part 1. This is part 2. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is the final part. Thanks very much for watching. I hope my videos are useful to you.